Hey guys, Derek here with The Closet Doctor, and I'm going to show you an improvement on Excel worksheets. I started a big data project. We're switching to a new software program, and I don't necessarily love working on computer stuff, and I had a huge amount of data that I had to organize and sort and break apart and figure all kinds of stuff out. And at first it was kind of driving me nuts, but I'm going to show you a few things that I figured out that helped me work in Excel much better. So let me show you what we got. So this was my original raw data format, and I had to go in and I had to delete out columns and reorganize and then go through and check prices and all that. I believe there's about 1,000 lines of different rows in here in Excel, and it was making my head explode. So let me show you where I'm at now. Go down here into this one. So is what I've got. The first thing, I figured out the order that my columns needed to be in up top here. And it's helpful when I'm working with them. Sometimes I need different ones next to each other. And so I wanted to make sure that I kept it in their proper order. First, I just tried color coding it. And then the next thing I did is I just went ahead and I numbered those so that I can move them all around. And then when I'm done with it, I need it all in that order. I just go and put it, you can actually probably sort it by that column and have it go into order, or you can drag and drop it in there. The next thing I did is I broke stuff out so that I wasn't working with 800 rows. I broke it out by the items that we were working with, the categories that we had, and put them into different tabs. The problem I had at the bottom is I've got about 8 or 9, I had as many as 8 or 9 tabs out here, and I couldn't really tell which ones were done, which ones really needed attention, and some of it, when you're working with it, you bounce to one and you're like, okay, I need to fix this here, and then you bounce back. And so kind of one piece flowing it, but then I don't know where stuff's at. So I went ahead, and you can right click on here and it says tab color, and you select a tab. And now I know that the green tabs are done. They could be uploaded. I might find stuff in there, but they're ready to go. And then stuff that's yellow is mostly done. And if it's red, I haven't done anything in them. So it's color coded and visual, and it makes it much more organized for it. The other thing I will tell you is Google is your friend. I remember when I first was, 20 years ago working with Excel, you just kind of had to figure stuff out. The help bar up here isn't, to be honest with you, isn't much help. And so I keep my iPad right next to me. I got an issue. I go in and I Google it real quick, and there's about 45,000 links for every question you'll ever have in Excel. So just some stuff that I did, making things much easier. And when I'm all done, it's going to upload into a program, be really cool. So I'll show you the results of that later on.